Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to record audio in Canva. First of all, you just have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type canva.com. Now once you are in your Canva account, you just have to select your particular design in which you want to record your audio. After that, you need to tap on this share button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you just have to scroll down and you will have to click on more. Now in the more, you will be able to see the option of present and record. So you need to click on present and record, and after that you need to click on go to recording studio. Once done, it will ask you for the permissions of your camera as well as your audios. So you just have to allow your permission and then you just have to select your microphone. Now over here it will show you all of the microphones as well as the internal microphone that you have in your device. So you just have to select your microphone and after that you need to click on start recording. Once done, it will give you a timer and then it will start recording your audio. Now as you can see that there is this time running in the top left hand corner, so you just have to record your audio, and if you want to pause it then you can tap on this pause button. If you want to resume it then you can tap on this resume button. Now once you have recorded your audio successfully, in order to end your recording you will have to click on end recording and then it will start uploading your recording in this section. So you just have to wait for some time until it is uploading. Once it is done, it will show you this pop-up which says that your recording link is now ready. So you can copy your audio recording link, or if you want to download it in your device then you will have to click on download and your audio will be start downloading in your device. So if the video was helpful then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.